Rewards content igama lami ngiPrince Veli ngiyakwamukela mangabe usanza kubukela le channel iPrince Veli Media ungapressa subscribe if umusha la then the notification button itokhomba ama episode la landzelako hey namhla la ngikhuluma nalomunye umuntu lobaleke kakhulu nje sengisaba usinale environment yethu le kuzokucabanga ngayo la utothi introduce sesami angikwamukele kuPrince Veli Media kunjani?
Yabonga Prince, ngiyaphila unjani wena?
No, ngiyaphila la.
Igama lami ngiMisphesihle ngakaKhumalo, ngihlala khona la eBaptini. Mara ngokudalwa ngiqhamuka Elikazi.
Mina ngikubuta nge-specialist because we are specialized. That's why ngisiwabona sengithukile angeke ngikubude ngala. Ngoba ngente kanje lenzawo singayiluza le. Ngithi environment specialist before mhlambe siyolanza i-background yakho. Yini mhlambe umuntu longani mangikhuluma nge-environment specialist uzinkhuluma ngani?
Mina ngende i-environmental management ngine honors in environmental management ngile ngasebenza kaMbombela as an environmental intern, so i-environmental is my passion.
Okay.
Yes, so sizochubeka nje sikhulume kabantu ngichazele ukuthi yini i-environmental management, yini lekufanele sikwende to protect our environment.
Okay, babona nyano uyathanza ngendlela uthengayo. Lokho sokufundzela ngala ngifuna siye isikhathi okuncane. Angiboni ukuthi nalesikhathi basibude esikolweni ukuthi wena ufuna kuba yini kwaba nomntana uthi mina ngifuna ukusebenza ngezinto ze-environment. So kucala bofuna kwendani wena?
Vele environment ngaleso sikhathi bengingayadi nje nokuyadi vele nje environmental i-cause lengisho ukuthi abantu abaningi abayinaki kani it's very important mawungabuka kahle nje lamalanga the way into tendeka ngakhona it's the most important cause. So mina ngisesemncane uyati nawe kulandzela bangani bengihlale ngithi when I grow up I want to be a teacher, only to know ukuthi nyalo if ungangithatha ungibeke phambi kwabantwana uthi fundzisa, trust me I won't do anything because I don't like teaching net ngoba I think ngiyi career bese yadi ngale dot cards ukuthi hayi if ungasing teacher maybe utoba ngidoctor. So ngala kuletha sesibhedlela ke bengithi saba vele ingadi ngiyayisaba. So there is why bengasho ukuthi ngifuna kuba ngidoctor, so bengiprefera ngathi it's better if I will say I want to be a teacher. So leye environmental ke ngidiscover ngichubeka ngifundza. So mina esikolweni ma major subject vele bekuyi-geography since vele.
Okay, yeah.
So i-geography influence ukuthi ngize ngigcina ngifika ngalaka environmental, like I was curious nje, I wanted to know i-connection yebantu ne-environment, so there is why ngithola ngenda i-environmental. But even ngaleso sikhathi leso bengingayadi i-environmental still. So into lengincedzile ukuthi ngathi i-environmental, I remember nje when I was in grade 12 bengithi ngifuna kuyenda i-climatology, or if ukungasi i-climatology i-geology. So you see those big names angithi yathi nawe mawukhuluma nebangani ukhuluma those big words ukuthi I want to be a geologist, like bayamangala, and then what is that. So I didn't know exactly ukuthi kahle kahle ngiphi because lekufanele ngiyende, but benginako emqondweni wami ukuthi mina I'm passionate about anything that has to do with environment. So there is why ke ngagcina ngahamba ngaya eUNISA la ngafika nga-enrolla khona eUNISA kwafika lapho bangaya counseling ngabakhomba ama-result ami bangitshela ukuthi okay, since wena you are passionate about environment, geology ifa nawe ngoba futhi ngala ka-maths bengingakendi kahle, fine bengenta ama-sciences but imaths beyingishaya vele bengakendi kahle, so i-geology bengeke ngize ngikhone kuyithatha ke. So
so asende song ukuthi wena bakukhansele lapha ngilama career guide noma nama career cancel.
Yes.
So mawuya wena eUNISA boyele i-geology ngilapha la bafike bakutshela khona ukuthi nayi lo ngakwenda.
kahle to be honest kuya kwami eUnisa bengiyele i-teaching because my mom influenced me ukuthi ngithathe i-teaching and mina i-teaching bengingayifuni bengingasivele into tami so ngoba uyang influencer ubhizi ngitshela ukuthi hayi khona uTothi mawuphuma esikolweni uthola umsebenzi you better do i-teaching because she's also a teacher. So ngiyalapha vele ngiya ku teaching but angifuni
lucky good enough PK ngileli cancela le manikhuluma lokho nekuphika ukuthi uthanza yilona into the environment
no ngithe mangifika lapha because bengifuna le teaching ngithe mangifika lapha bafike bangitshela ukuthi I teaching igcwele abasa accept nyalo ngajabula ke ngathi hey okay because vele bengingayifuni so mina bengiya lapha because influence yamag so mina bengingayifuni vele teaching bangitshela ukuthi igcwele ngathi okay hey nyalo sengidoyenda njani ngaya nema result ami kule cancel lapha eUnisa afike babuka ama result ami mangitshela ukuthi okay wena yini passion yakho ngathi mina anything that has to do with environment so by that time environmental the cause bengingayadi so bafike bangitshela ukuthi okay na ama courses la khona lo ngawenda bangichuzisa I-social science manje ngiyathi nokuthi yini social science and then bangitshela nge-environmental management ngathi oh yeah this is the course I want to do so kungako ke sengize ngitholakala sengendi environmental iqale lapho
asiyeke endlini ngoba uma usasemncane la aningnebantu abona njengathi anisebenze radioweni kuyatholakala ukuthi thina seke saphula ama radio ukuthi sifuna ukubona umsakazi saphula ama TV so wena mawusasemncane khona mhlambe lokho akhona ama science lebe ukuthi mhlambe kukhona lebutindo lobutsanza mhlambe ukhule lese bangalahla liphepha vele bovuka ingqondo yakho beyisangana bongamshana umshaya umuntu
okay mina I think bekukhona just ukuthi bengingadi mina benginalento yokuthi ema climatologist laba checka I-climate nalaba labakhuluma simo selitulu so ngikhule nginalento yokuthi angithi uyabona like namuhla iweather yanamuhla like as in from today ngithe mangichecka la efonini yami ngabona ithi 27 degrees but ekseni bekungasho lo 27 even nyalo akusho 27 so benginalento yokuthi yatini I want to break that record man yathi mina ngifuna kulo ngifuna kukhuluma into lekhona bantu abatoyithemba because bengibona ngathi bacambe manga ukuthi why bathi namhla iweather ing 27 because la ngaphandle nyalo alisho ukuthi 27 maybe bo 23 24 la ngaphandle but mawuchecka babona bathi 27 how so benginaloko ke ngiyo lento benginako lokho so there is why ngafika eUnisa ngathi iclimatology so like bengiconfuseka ngalama cause but benginako ukuthi yini so nyalo sengiya understand ukuthi into nabo lebenda ukuthi lesimo selitulu bangakhona ukusisho straight it's because of the change in climate pattern which is climate change there is why nabo bagcina sebangasakhona ukukhuluma iqiniso
asiyethu kwebantu generalist obiyela kulenza bethu le ngifuna ukuthola shothi nabantu abakhuluma iqiniso iweather abantu kuyiphambanisa netinkulumo tabo siyale weather le iyavuma ukuthi singenda lokunguthi namuhla so nginathola ukuthi kuliqiniso le ukuthi ikhona vele iweather ukuthi iyazivumela ukuthi thina abantu vele nyalo ya kumbe akumbe lokho siyathi cabangela
hayi perception yemuntu nje abantu nje bayathi cabangela usuke na uthi cabangele nje lokho lothi cabangele kona ngaleso sikhathi so ubona ngathi hayi njengoba liso kusho ngapheka umhodu njengoba liso kanti kusho bani ukuthi umhodu awupheki makushisa udoze upheke makubanza no ngicabanga ukuthi leyo nje semcondweni wemuntu.
Then mawufika lapha ufunza for how long?
Ushe eUnisa?
Yeah.
eUnisa ngicale khona vele ngenda I-degree yami for 3 years. Ngayithola. So khona lapho mara benginema challenges I got pregnant. mangenda I degree yami ku second year
ngile weather le yayibo
hayi
ngile weather climate change had mayifika lesimo lesibanza but angeke siye lapho yachubeka
hayi so yes I got pregnant mangenda I second year yami yayo le environmental mara ke because mina vele ngingumuntu lone vision like mina I am very strict like I am self motivated
yeah.
So okay nganga give up ngafeyila futhi khona lapho ngafeyila khona lapho because vele I was in copying bese ngigulisa sisu but the following year angizange drop out noma ngifeyilile the following year ngaqhubeka ngafunza mangichubeka ngifunza ngabuya okay ngafunza ngacetha iNSFAS ngaleso sikhathi yangikhipha the time ngifeyile nyalo sengistressed ukuthi ngiyobhadara ngani lucky good enough ngathola umsebenzi ngakhona ukuthi ibhadarele ngafunza ngacetha degree yami ngathatha igap year after sengicedzile degree yami ngale that khathethebo covid 2021 2022 nga register nga apply futhi I honors ngafunza nayo nakhona lapho on my second year ku honors I got pregnant for the second time so hayi ke ngaleso sikhathi ngiba pregnant for my second baby hayi loyo ke kusho beka ngithanzile because bengithola ama distinction kuphela ke kuloyo thola ama distinction ngaze ngafisa ngathi ngingahlala ngipregnant mosi ngidohlala ngiphasa ngithola ama distinction so ngafunza nakhona lapho nganga drop out ngafunza ngacetha I graduated 2025 last year June I graduated for my honors degree.
Then ngifuna kuyibuta ngengisayibuta ngoba ngiyakhumbula uzosebenza bengifuna ukuthola ukuthi before when the honors ngale bebangavuma ukuthi upractice or sebenze manje shothi usebenzile bebavuma nethothi ngumele kufuna ukukuphulela leti ichutha
yeah vele mina ngingumuntu lo belivela ekufunzeni kakhulu so namanje noma ngicedzile so namanje ngiapplyile eUNISA I'm hoping ukuthi batongithatha for my masters ngichubeke so by that time ngenda degree bengifunza bengisebenta kulenye company yasena sport but I was doing office admin so ngifunze khona ngisebente khona ngacetha ngala ngibe ngifunza so honors yami bese ngiresignile ngale kuleya company ngayicala ngase sengiba nenhlanhla futhi ngathola iinternship kaMbombela ngila bese sengichubeka khona ke yaphela nakhona icontract sengiloku futhi nyalo sengikulenye company
ngifuna ukugcwalisela la ukuthi uyasebenza abantu khona kuyivuselele le contract so sikhuluma sikhuluma nge-environment mhlambe umuntu akade ukuthi nisebenza ngani nando environment ne-environment ingangena khona lapha acabanga ukuthi vele so ni sebenza ngani intila ngani or ingakanani le lona le department ye-environment ukuthi buka into lenjani
okay i-environment asengicale nje ngichaze ukuthi what is environmental management ngoba vele ngizokhuluma kakhulu ngekunakekela imvelo environmental management it's about taking care of our environment uyinakekele uyiprotect ihlala ihlobile konke nje kwe-environment okuphathelene ne-environment kuhlale kukahle la sikhona khona nje it's environment mawubuka lapha ngaphandle fasterweni i-environment yonke so noma ngabe uyabona noma ngabe wenda muphi umsebenzi even ma microphone akho nyalo sewaphukile ufuna kwalahla it's konke lokho kuyayifaka i-environment so i-environment i-apply everywhere because lama microphone lawo ngendlela wa dispose ngakhona kuya counter to the environment so yebo i-environment it's about protecting the environment for our future generation because ngendlela kwenteka ngakhona vele it shows ukuthi we are depleting the natural resources each and every day. So le generation lesilandzelako uyabona ukuthi sebatofika bathole sekungenalutho ngiyo lento lebese seyibanga ne climate change.
So ikhuluma ngangaphandle kuphela i-environment because angeke singene ngaphakathi endlini ngangaphandle kuphela. Then the tinto tasendlini njengoba bekuse ngefinish ngile tidoti asithi ngile doti ngile sithatha songcolisa ngako ngaphandle but yona ikhuluma ngangaphandle kuphela ukuthi ingafaka nale nature net ikhuluma ngangaphandle ngifuna ukuthola lokho.
Okay, environmental management ayikhulumi nge-environment kuphela. We are talking about the environment, we are talking about people sifaka i-health and also khona lapho we are talking about economy because okay i-environment angithi nyalo sikhuluma ukuthi we are protecting our environment ungalahli liphepha phasi. You must know where to dispose i-waste yakho and i-waste ihlukahlukene so you must know ngeke uze uthathe ema-syringe asesibhedlela uhambe yowa dispose le landfill site kune ndzawo yakhona la walahla khona la ma-laptop akho lawo mase wafile kunendzawo la walahla khona nawo. This is called i-waste awulahle noma nganguphi.
Okay, ngiba bathi kune waste management lokho kungena lapho under waste management.
I-waste management angithi ngikole sikhuluma ngako the protection of the environment.
Okay, one.
Yebo.
Lokunye?
So okay ngibuye kule ndzaba yokuthi okay environment it's not about the nature kuphela loyibonako lama trees tihla imalo ma grass nani it's not about that. Even i-health iyangena ku environmental management because nyalo sikhuluma ukuthi wena nyalo uyakhoza uya dampa lapha illegal like nje uma ngitangalana kunalesinye stand lapha lengisithole kusho besingakahesha nyalo sesiheshiwe tibi tinganani lapha like people are dumping. So lapha if they are dumping like that mayiphilisha lendo kuphuma those gases lapha like letibi matiphilisha kuphuma ema gases greenhouse gases which is like carbon dioxide nabo methane which are very dangerous to our ozone layer. So lapha uma ulahle letibi takho tiphilisha lapha uyagula like it cause health problems like nema respiratory problems like nje bantu labahlala celeni kwema illegal dump awuboni ngani lapha ngakamdopa lapha landfill site lapha kude makhaya lapha because they know ukuthi lapha if batothatha babeke emakhaya lapha kuphile bantu lapha i-health yabo ngeke ize ibe right because angithi baya inhaler le smell so sikhoza ma respiratory problems. That is why bantu bathola sebaneti inkinga tokuphefumula tinkinga temalungs tinto letinjalo. Yes, so yebo bengikutshela ke ngalo ukuthi environmental management it's not all about law and also it adds to the economy because if our town is clean like la eBabatone yabona it's a tourist indzawo nje le thanza kuvakashelwa ama tourist kakhulu le it's a heritage area. So if kuhlala kungcolile ema tourist ngeke akhone kuda because what attract people kuthi bete endzaweni ngilokuhloba kwayo because even if kukhona lama natural resources lato wabuka but angeke baze bakhone angeke baze bede so economy ke ayedeki ngaleyo ndlela
nalabo manje abasibalekiseni ma tourist labo ngoba sengiyacabanga ukuthi ma tourist ayaqhamuka sound okay kule ayikho le part man I think ngicabanga ukuthi the question ukuthi ngibe bakhuluma nge-dumping side ukuthi maye mawudampa i-girlfriend yakho so akukho lo na i-question ngifuna kuyibuta la ma pothole ayangena tuke ndzaba ye-environment or abhilonga kuphi
Potholes, okay, thine be environmental mawukhuluma ngema potholes thine stokutshela ukuthi abangwa yini angithi lama potholes abangwa ngileti imvula okay kuthi umgwaco bawakhe njani but ke what I know is before bakha umgwaco environmental specialist must be there to access like bende environmental impact assessment before kuyofika civil engineer letofika ethi okay lo mgwaco lo stowakha la siudwebe la siushondele siushondisele kufuna kufike kucala environmentalist ato assessa ukuthi okay kukahle yini ukuthi la kungagubha umgwaco so lama potholes lawa akhozwa ngileti imvula ene leti imvula leti lebeti khona nyalo ngilokutshela I don't know whether you didn't know about this leti imvula leti beti khona nyalo it's not about rain ngilento ye climate change it's on the ground singasayibukele kutheni because angithi ngishilo ukuthi I climate change it's the change of the weather patterns it's not about ukuthi kushise kuphela I climate change it could be high temperatures or heavy rainfalls nema floods njoba bekukhona nyalo angithi ubonile nyalo bekunema floods I climate change yonke leyo ngilama human activities ethu lesiwendako ngokulahla tibi la kungakafune kukhona lo moya loyo uya hamba ufike uaffect le ozone layer yethu le because I global warming ibese sekuba nale ma weather pattern changes.
Okay, ngilobudala okunye lokwendiwa abantu manje ngiyakufaka kulenza bale ngoba nichaza simo let's say mina angadeliver service delivery kuthi lo mgwaco lo akendiwa imvula wendiwa ukuthi mina ngidle imali nine ndofike ngichazele simo vele le service delivery ngene kwento chaza le simo leso ukuthi no la kwendiwe mhlambe iweather kumbe kwendiwe because ngiyacabanga eminye imigwaco yamoshakala ukuthi Prince akakadeliver kahle to attend angiboni ukuthi ngafuna sithi environment yonke sithi climate change ngamane ukuthi change abantu ngalama tender so badla imali bona kusive labakadeliver service
that's true uyathi ukuthi kwentekani I climate change or lama floods are exposure the poor infrastructure
okay it makes sense
get exposure ukuthi vele lama engineers or lama tenderpreneurs ngiwo la ngakayendi kahle umsebenzi wawo ngiko leti imvula tiya expose ukuthi vele lale infrastructure vele beyivele poor just ukuthi besingakhona ukuyibona because thina ngithi asima engineers angeke sikhone uassess ukuthi okay lo mgwaco lo uwakhiwe kahle akushodiswa isimendi or kwendiweni angeke sikhone ukuassess but vele imvula ngiyo leto expose
nale mathenda ngivile nyalo asiyetu kwe mamol kwetinto tokwakha because bese sichuca ngathi netinto tokwakha so ningena kanjani to asangithi so wabona sicala before ngiloyikhumbula leyo kwakha ninelele nisebentako nathi leli sala kwemakhaya ethu vele environment yenu yonke ninele ndila nge-environment
environment is for everyone akusiyi ukuthi yami or ye government yatowabuta kahle ke le question yakho because I think bantu labaningi they are missing the point khona lapho environment is for everyone nawe you have a right kuhlala ku clean environment you have a right to use ema resources environment you have a right yokunakekela lesihlahla lesiya but noma ngabe une right you must make sure ukuthi whatever you are doing it doesn't compromise environment for our future generation so whatever you are doing make sure you don't deplete the natural resources masikhuluma ama natural resources sikhuluma ngako konke lokho nje lokubonayo la ngaphandle tihlahla amagrassi tilwane emanti like sikhuluma ngako lokho because I think bantu they are missing the point khona lapho ke ukuthi bona batitshela ukuthi environment is for those people labende i-environmental. No, it's for everyone. Nawe nje ula you've got a right ukuthi uma ubona liphepha lapha lidobhe ulifake dustbin. We are taking care of the environment. We are protecting the environment for our future generations.
Maraya no ngiyakuva ngoba ingolele mina but naleli gama sengiyeva kona mawuthi environment is for everyone.
Yes, ngoba uyabona namanje njoba ngishilo nje ecaleni sihlete ku environment letindlu leti takhiwe ku environment. So environment is for everyone. Akusiye government ningathi nine irresponsibility yamasipala ukuthi masipala etatobutha tibitethu. No, it's not like that. Everyone is responsible for the environment. There is that constitution, section 24, lekhuluma ngayo environment. Kuti everyone has got a right to a clean environment.
Asikhulume tukwenza bayo kwakha. Kunebantu sifuna tandi ngathi kunebantu lesifuna tandi la. Let's say nami nyalo ngihlala ekhaya mina. Senginebantwana nami sengifuna stand samaye ngiyabona ukuthi bayaphutha lapha kamasipala lapha. So sibe nabo crossover sibe nabo nganini masigcine tholakala ukuthi sesitukwenzawo sesimnyetelene banokubekisa nabo Alex ukuthi kunemagundwana la abantu angina siqiniseko saloko ningena kulapho ngoba ngathi vele ngike ngakuva natuke ukuthi ngathi before pass senzawo yokwakha vele baka environment ba umana nendeti into le.
Uyabona ke ngilendo bengisayikhuluma ekucaleni ukuthi uyabona lento yebantu boku invader a space just because wena ubona la ukuthi kune space uvela uyacabanga ukuthi yathi ngathi ngakha la ngingabeka indlu yami la baningi kakhulu lebakwendako the whole of South Africa. I don't know the other countries but what I'm sure of the whole of South Africa vele baya invader space. Umuntu uthi angabona nje ukuthi kune space la athi awuthi ngiyobeka umkhukhu wami. Lento leyo ngiyo angithi masipala wende mabomb because kamasipala kune department yaka environmental. So they go and check, they assess ukuthi lenza ole I right in ukuthi abantu bangahlala bangaphila. Because if wena wakha la kan masipala uyiyekele mabomb lenzawo because that time bende ma environmental impact assessment bathola ukuthi lenzawo le ine state. So ufike wena wakhe 2 years down the line indlu yakho uyakhile seyiyaqala seyiba ne mold. So uyamangala ukuthi kani lendlu yami why ibe ne mold ublame Meselane lo wakhile and akusinguye Meselane I problem ile pass. You can't build a house la kunemandi lamaningi khona ngaphasi because vele lelinye ilanga uyothuthi in a long run ivelity for sure shayivosho nje ihlale pass indlu because ngilok invader nalesikhathi ke uyabo kufana nema low lying areas uthi mawakha nakhona akufanele wakhe enzaweni le two flat because njenganyalo njoba bekunete imvula so labantu yathi mawungathi unaka kahle nje ukuthi labantu laba affectwe ngama floods labe wakhona la eMpumalanga naseLimpopo mawungathi uya ko assessa kahle ukuthi ubuke lenzawo yabo ukuthi bakhe ku utothola ukuthi bakhe kuma low lying areas lenzawo I two flat so my two flat lenzawo imvula ivele ine emanti adame lapho leriswa emanti wathola sewahamba tikwemafastero ngibo ke bungoti bokwakha la khona ungakatshelwa khona ukuthi la ke ningajuba titandi bona namhla ungayibona ngathi I right lento ubone ngathi hayi ngiyakha kukahle but in the long run ngila utobona khona uto exposeka kakhulu letimvula
mangifuna imay vele lenzaba yestand ufuna phasise masipara ngeke ngithi mangifuna ukuyi invade ngoba sakha singathi lokho kungathi njengoba usho singabuka mina etuke side lami ukuthi ngifuna indzawo yokuhlala
yebo ubone lenzawo I right
kani ngifuna asicale mhlambe etuke vele kumbe shothi indlela I1 ufuna vele siye kamasipara naka chief mangabe sifuna kowakha sikhonde
exactly
iphuma njalo then okay let's say unikile chief stand unikile masipara nami kukhona extra like funa ngikwende for i-environmental yami like kumbe ingaze i-approve ngumasipala lenzawo leyo na chief shothi kusuke sekright ngoba bayadi vele lapho ngeke ba-approve into lengasiyo.
Yeah, labo bayadi ngeke baze bathi lana ngakha kube badi ukuthi lenzawo le ayisi right ukuthi kuhlale bani.
Yeah.
Ngoba phela uyabona lento le ye environment le sikhuluma ukuthi masikhuluma nge-protection of the environment uyabona ukuthi nako lokwakha we are disturbing the ecosystem we are disturbing uyabona nyalo mangukuthi lapha akuna structure lapha kunetilwane letiphila lapha ucanga ukuthi wena mawufika wakha laphana letilwane tiyoya kuphi.
Ngasikaze ngidawubona khona letinye tilwane setibalekela ebantwini mawutofika usushisa emahlathini tiphume ke tilwane ngoba sekude indzawo lekufuna tiye kuyo tihlala lapha.
Exactly. Enenyalo waziwathasha ke lenye indzaba yokushisa. Did you know ukuthi kushisa in terms of environmental it's prohibited akavumeleki? Did you know that? Kuthi like nje tibi takho ekhaya unemgodi lapha ngaphandle lapha uyathatha tibi takho uyalight umechiso lapha. Did you know ukuthi licala lelo?
Hayi njani manje ngoba usukahle damu sidile ukhuluma ngathi nasekhaya dami okay yeah ungayichacha why ufuna ngashisa tibi ngenda njani tiyashisa tibi ngoba into lengiyatiwe ukuthi ngathi kunetibi letingahanjiswa lekangabuzi masipara ngini so ngitenda njani le
ngilendo lengishilo ukuthi tibi it's depend what kind of waste le yabo njoba ngikubekisele nganaye ama microphone nema laptop ma computer so ma TV lama electronics nje leto awuti kahle ngemthetho nedi ngoba abantu labanye baswela lwati labanye ba ignorant ngekwemthetho letibi leti awutihambisi namasipala kunema company la dila ngema e-waste nasena sport nje bakhona uyabafonela bete kutolanza or maybe wena umikise kibo there is a place la bati lahla khona or sometimes bayaku recycler bakhe something new.
Yeah.
So leye tibi ngibuyele kancane kuleyo ukuthi tibi why ngithi akavumeleki ukuthi utishise because mawushisa uyabo ukuthi kuphuma smoke and le smoke leso sinalama greenhouse gases bengikhuluma ngawo earlier on le bo carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide iyahamba ifike itakelane le kule atmosphere yethu la kune ozone layer khona le ozone layer it's the layer that protects us from the heat kuthi lilanga yabo malishisa singashi kakhulu like kungashisi kakhulu so if ku busy ngiloko kuphayilisha le kule atmosphere le ozone layer iyalimala ukhoza i-global warming lokho le global warming ngiyo lele bese seyenda i-climate change bese sekuba nalokuguquguquka kwesimo kuthi nyalo uyabona nje kukhona umuphi nje lomnyaka last year bekunjalo 25-24 I think it was 2023 beku ebusika belina uyakhumbula ukuthi thina sikhule sathi ukuthi ebusika alina licala kuna ngabo August September kushona le sikhule vele sathi njalo but nyalo soyathola ukuthi ebusika liyana ucanga ukuthi kwentiwa yini lokho it's the climate change ngilento engisho ukuthi le climate change icaused ma human activities letinto lesitenda each and every day kona letinto letincane lesingadinaki tokushisa tibi ucanga ukuthi wena le smoke siya kuphi ngoba uyasiboza yakhuphuka setulu silimata le ozone layer le protectago from the heat so there is why nyalo uthola ukuthi nyalo sekushisa kakhulu uyathi uve ukuthi uyabona this heat is unbearable or uthole sekuneti imvula letiningi njengoba nyalo bekwenteke kunema floods nje kukhozwa ngiloko ke
ngiyakuva angikuva angifuni ukuphikisa okay wena uthi kahle kahle tibi achiswa ngoba bengifuna ukuthola ukuthi tibi achiswa
tibi achiswa nje at all okay. You are not allowed to burn tibi
asiyeke la bashisako okay sengiyayivuma indzaba tibi angeke ngikubude ngifuna ukubafe angeke ngikubude ukuthi tiyapi okay ngivele kunye kwema electronics ngiyacabanga lokunye ngingafuna kube ma research aid ngoba ngikuthi angezisene ema-compost okay sitofika nakulama company siyashaya ibra phela thina kushe inyama ngiyacabanga masishise inyama siba semililo into kunye ititof temalahle ngifuna nethi lo kushisayo nyalo sitofika nathi kwema factory lokho sikufaka under kuphi ke because sensitivity ingashiso la kuba samlilo kona affect inzawo
nawo umlilo nawo uya affecta just ukuthi vele it's very hard ukuthi utshele abantu ukuthi bangabasi umlilo nawo umlilo uya affecta because lo mlilo nawo angithi uyayiproducer le carbon dioxide lele ngafuneki because into le mosha le ozone layer le atmosphere yethu uzuthole sekunabo air pollution ngiko kona lokho kuba simililo enekhumbula ukuthi umlilo ubasa ngani ubasa ngetinkuni okay asingayikhulumile charcoal but nayo charcoal is still malahle vele letinye timayini nje nethi ngoba angathi kumbe wanaka yini mina ukuthi ngiyakulandzelela lokho vele ngoba it's part of my passion la eMpumalanga mama yini lamaningi akhona emakhol ngala kubo Henryna nje ushonele etulu le kubo Middleburg le tulu le ma companies lamaningi bawa shut down mama yini lawe malahle because South Africa is trying to introduce this thing renewable energy ukuthi like kungasasebenziswa malahle because malahle ngiwo la cause kakhulu ma greenhouse gases la kubo carbon dioxide nabo methane so uyabona ke nawe mawuthatha le charcoal yakho ufaka lapha eya produce carbon dioxide leli singayifuni ngicabanga ukuthi uphendulekile or
yeah no ngivile ndokutshelela bona la kule camera yeke lani ihabli iya producer i-carbon dioxide lamalahle producer i-carbon dioxide yeke leni yayibona okay asende nje nyalo ngoba sengivile manje so nethi ngoba sinele uchedi ngeSouth Africa ngifuna kuva mhlambe nalento yokuintroduce ama electric cars esibalekela lento izingcolisela carbon dioxide lama diesel nangathi ngifuna ukuthola lokho
oh okay hayi yathi khona indzaba lebalekile lengikhohliwe the time ngikhuluma ngokubasa umlilo nethi ngicina sengikhuluma ngecoal nethi nami ngabe sengikhuluma kakhulu hayi asibuyele emuva sikhulume ngetinkuni kuthi okay if ungabasi ngekhola ngithi ubasa ngetinkuni letinkuni utithatha kuphi i-tree angithi uyajuba tinkuni ngithi tihlahla so uyajuba tihlahla so nako lokho ku wrong even if you are building your own house labanye vele bayatijuba tihlahla bakhe ngato it's wrong because deforestation so deforestation is the process la ujuba khona letihlahla ukuthi ushiye sekungena lutho there is why uthola sekunabo soil erosion because tihlahla ngito leti sisitako ukuthi ti absorb le carbon dioxide lethi nelesihlala sikhoza every day so tihlahla ngito leti absorbako angithi tona ti absorb le carbon dioxide thine nalesi iphefumulako ngoba if you are breathing out like keep carbon dioxide it's going back to the trees and then when you are inhaling oxygen tona tisinike oxygen thine sinika carbon dioxide so tihlahla very important ngoba tisita lapho to combat le carbon dioxide.
No, shout out to DJ Sbu namsengasahaga style. So now ngifuna siye kithi ke because I know lama factories lawa thine yani tihlahla tsiyasebenzisa ngesintu ngoba ngiyacabanga uma ngithola ngikukhela sihlahla sami sodwa ngitshela nge-environment wena
vele utobo ngikwatise kakhulu empilweni yakho ngikuthole vele ukhasihlahla ubonothisa wena Prince uyabona la elokishini ne angithi kude esihlahla kakhulu kugcwele emakhaya unothise like le environment ukuthi banjani bese uyahamba uye edrobheni angithi yabo edrobheni kugcwele tihlahla belungu vele bayayihadi lento ye-environment tihlahla batithanza kabi cause wena lapha ekhaya lakho na Prince udosijuba lesihlahla uthi wena sengigcolisela lesi singcolisa kakhulu sijube usale ude sihlahla so la elokishini uya uthola ukuthi lo moya wakhona uyashisa but immediately uya edrobheni kukhulu kushayela umoya so uyabona ke ukuthi ihlahla tibaleke kanganani because la elokishini tihlahla tisiti ningi kugcwele emakhaya edrobheni belungu uthola ikhaya lemlungu ligegetsele ihlahla everywhere there is why umoya wakhona umnanzi kubangiloko nje
okay sibale indzaba yekushisa ekhaya sabala indzaba yekubasa nyalo sibala ukuthi singajubi ihlahla ekhaya ngithathenga umoya yini mhlambe lokunye lesingafuna sibe awe ngako sibalena ngendzaba yekulahla ama electronics ngoba ngifuna siphume endlini but yini lesikushiya kwekhaya kungafuna sibe awe ngakho ngilokhu lesingafuna singakwendi la endlini la sesihlala khona bantu kude environment lesimoshana ngayo kumbe agrightness lesabantwana inature leyo ngifuna lokuthola ukuthi yini lokunye lekufuna singakwendi mhlambe ekhaya because
too much population
singabi baningi
population yeah ngakufuneka sibe baningi kodwa na ke I believe in that one God has a way of reducing the population because once kungaba too much bantu angithi uyabona ukuthi so uthola ukuthi sekude netindzawo tokwakha abantu baya invade bayakha everywhere uyabona disabeka le nature because tihlahla letiningi tiyajuba ngithi lapho abantu bafuna kwakha bafuna kunetisana but ke surely God has got a way to reduce the population ngoba angithi siyafa kancane kancane siyancipha siyatalwa kanjalo njalo but vele too much population ayikho kahle
then siyawudzinga tshani nemhlabathi paving part of nature kumbe njani siyayinde sidzingayo lapha ekhaya kuyadzingeka ukuthi vele lonke likhaya libe netshani kuyadzingeka lonke likhaya libe nemhlaba amablomu ufuna kuthola endani because anesihlahla siyasho ukuthi isihlahla isilethe oxygen ngendeka le bloom letha buhle kuphela li use
kuyafana nawo lama bloom because angithi kunema leaves kahle kahle lento le oxygen iphuma from the leaves le oxygen kuyafana le bloom linema leaves ngeke uthole le bloom lodwana nje lingenama leaves line stem angithi linema leaves so kuyafana so by doing that ukuthi uhlanyele tshani ekhaya lakho kuba nengathi uyasida you are helping lapho kulento ye climate change like lo ukuthi angithi njoba ngibekise ngesihlahla ukuthi ku absorber that carbon dioxide ngoba even timoto I don't know noma yakwati inlobo even timoto uyathi ukuthi nako njengoba sinetimoto nje sonke sifostela kuba netimoto nako akukho right
yes biyanambe ngemabhayisikili
yebo
no I think I'm not sure China bebenzela lokhu ne ngicabanga ene ukukhuluma ngendzaba ye population ku assume lokhu ukuthi ngikhule ngathi mina ukuthi China bebasebenzisa amabhayisikili mara most bekubantwana but ne population ngathi bese yiningi ngoba ngikumbekisena lethi ngicabanga lento le electric cars le ukuthi beyibalekela lento le yeah kusekhona I don't know ukuthi ngisiphi seChina futhi nabe basebenzisa stimela ukuthi labantwana sikhona kubreaka endlini stimela sathi umntana wakho agibele esikoleni sengaze usibone.
That's interesting. That's interesting because vele lento yokuthi nami nginemoto yami nawe unemoto yakho we are contributing kulama greenhouse gases because mawuhamba uyabona njoba imoto ihamba nje so mayiduma la ubobeka isandla sakho uyidumise bese ubeka isandla la kule exhaust uve ukuthi akuphumi yini umoya so lo moya loyo lophumako ngiyo yona le carbon dioxide lele singayifuni so leti hlahla ke angithi tisita ukuthi ti absorbe ingahambi yonke kuyale because if beyihamba yonke I'm sure ngabe sesamelta vele because le njoba uyakhumbula ngikhulume ngeozone layer ukuthi makhamba la kune layer le kule atmosphere le less protector from the sun kuthi kungashisi kakhulu So the more lama greenhouse gases akhuphuka aya le ozone layer eyalimala kancane vele kokugcina sekungena nix if we continue like this.
Okay, ngifuna kuya to kwema plants, but before ngifika to kwema plants, letinto tema artificial tiya ngathi shothi ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi reduce yini nje ama store tshani lo artificial because sine sifuna tshani cobo kumbe akunenzaba lo.
No, artificial I contribute anything. I contribute anything because il plastic mos kwakhiwe lento ngil plastic I contribute anything artificial. So sifuna the real thing because lesihlahla less real. Le carbon dioxide angithi kona khona kuyi absorber because in the process of photosynthesis kwakheka kudla ngayo. In the process of photosynthesis angathi kumbe wake wakufunza lo esikolweni bo photosynthesis so photosynthesis it only applies to kwema living plants only.
Utse ufuna the real thing yalo siyakhona ngilabe ngikufuna khona sine cross pollination mase cross kwa breed akusasi real thing lento leya that's why ubona letilwane letinye tiba violent so lokwa cross breeding nema cross pollination akusimosheli ngafaka nalendo ema alien plant ukuthi mhlambe beside ihlahla letside tabiyeta lesa la South Africa isihlahla sigcine sikhule ngaphasi kwendlu ngathi yini lenye longahlanyele ekhaya yini umkotapeni I don't know ukuthi lembanze igcine imila ukuthi uyathola indlu icelile but lo even noma asithi masipara bekaselenza we right but kunesihlahla lesitsite lesingafuneki ngilebe ngifuna ukuthi so then ngikuthi usima stock cross breed atindo ma plants nana akuyihami environment because lento lena ayisasi natural kusina kungasitshintshela lokuthi then ungabekisana ngale carbon dioxide ona photosynthesis kuloko sekhona lokhu ediwe manje lokuthi dan nami ngede inyawo ubhe uyangibona ukuthi ngiba iham njani ku environment nathi kwebantu so ngifuna ukuthola la kulama plants naletilwane.
Okay, le yema crossbreeding ke angeke ngize ngifakaze kangaka because I think that one it's more into agriculture. Kufana naletindo tema genetic food, GN food, lokuya ukuthi uthola ukuthi what you call litamatisi likhula libe likhule maybe in 2 months and alisheshi lonakale angithi ma GN food so leto tinto leto ke it's part of agriculture leto tinto leto kufana nako lokho ma crossbreeding it's part of agriculture so angeke ke ngize ngifakaze kakhulu vele leyo.
Okay, asibiyele to community because sesiphumile ekhaya uthe lesingakhona ukupreventa thine la community ukuthi singalahli noma
yebo ukuthi nje nawe njoba ngishilo ukuthi environment is for everyone nawe it's your responsibility ukuthi utshele abantu ukuthi if umbona umuntu alahla umbude ulahlela lapho phasi awuyibona idustbin ngoba umuntu yathi ukuthi uyalahla la but idustbin nayi umangale ukuthi lo muntu lona ngilokuba ignorant not ukuthi akade nayi idustbin mase uyayibona why are you throwing down. So uyathi ukuthi kune bylaw which was gazetted 2016 or 2017 la Kambombela in the municipality lekhuluma ngelittering ukuthi it's a crime to litter nethi ngoba abayi practice now ma municipal personnels awayi practice lelo because kube bebayi practice trust me bantu ngabe bayadi ngaba bendi lento lebayendako so lapha kule bylaw le bakhuluma ukuthi it's a crime kulahla kulitharisha noma ngabe ulahla nje liphepha lelincane lichephisi pass bangakubona bayakufayinisa it's a fine or you go to prison.
Mina ngibonile kusinangale English uyayihloniphisa wena abayi practice abakubophi usho njalo wena usababophi kahle
abayi practice because if beba practice abantu ngabe sebayadi ukuthi kahle akufanele balahle phasi tibi
ukuchama kuyangena la ngoba ngeba ngathi nokuchama nje ukuthi mawufike nje uchamela sihlahla uvela uchama ku environment angeni
mara leyo ke ngengeva bathi leyo ke maphoyisa ayakubopha cobo leyo ke bayayipractice leyo ke bayakubopha cobo nedinginayo yokuliterarisha lebangayipractice because kube bebayipractice trust me ma-cities wethu kube sewa-clean ngoba uyati ukuthi if ngilolahla leli phepha leli it's either I pay a fine or vele ngiya ejail cabanga nje nethi soyogwetshelwa ukuthi wena ulahle iphepha le-chappies imagine how small that paper it is
sweet lisengwe ngimpela ngikatshonje
yo leso sikhathi i-dustbin beyila wena nedwala hlala if bebayipractice lento leyo ngabe i-environment yethu clean kakhulu
sikhulume ngelahla lehabi lela ngicela sikhulume ngayo yonke indlela yokubhema nje ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ligwayi naso ke lesihlahla bengizibale na insango iyabuya la yini okunye lokubhenywa ngifuna lokunenduthu nokuthi lemijovo le iligwayi le vapor ingikhalisa ngoba mina ibhunyela bami
and i-vapor yabona nyalo ke sesikhuluma nge-health ke manje masokukhuluma ngale tinto leti because this is part of i-health ke manje because uma ubhema manje wena ufuna abantu bangishaye phela nyalo uthi nyalo sengikhuluma kabi ngekubhema
ukhulume kahle ukuthi uma ubhema usho kimi ukuthi uma ngibhema chubeka la kule statement sakho
uma ubhema ngithi still uproducer indut anything that has to do with smoke vele i-producer i-carbon dioxide lesingayifuni anything that has to do with smoke so nako loku smoke ngithi uya smoke kaphuma induthu yini le nduthu lephumako ngoba ngiyo le carbon dioxide leyo nduthu lephumako mara ke okay angeke ngize ngene kakhulu ukuthi because okay it's also not good for your health ngoba iyalimata lungs akho there is why uthola umuntu lobhemako so ukhwehlela ngasacetsi it's part of leto tinto leto futhi worse i-vapor nabo habli it's even more dangerous to your health than i-cigarette because lapha kunema hey okay no
yeah.
Let me not touch much on that one angisiwa ka health but okay yeah no asidlulekile ufuna abantu bangishaye wena asidlulekile
ngicela singakhulumi ngehealth yabantu ngoba uconcern but asibiye ngala siya ikhona umthetho lo ukuthi kufuna siupractice ngoba insango ubonile base ayisibheme kuvumelekile vele lokho so then kukhona mhlambe imithetho
lengakho hayi kani ukuthi bathe kuvumelekile kuphatha but just a small note kakhulu because insango yenta into letiningi okay ngaphandle kwalokubhema ma medicals bayayisebenzisa mostly for imithi nanani insango nje tiningi into letendako ngaphandle kokuyibhema
dosi right insango
ngaphandle ngaphandle kokuyibhema yes insango i-right kuningi insango lo tinto letilaphako ngaphandle nje kokuyibhema
okay then lokunye uthe sikhulume ngenzaba yokulahla singasa invade singasa jubi tandi net ngoba mhlawumbe tandi tezwa phuma bajuba amagama ethu lapha mina ngathi ke usesithathola njani itandi lo kula ma park nale tourism so i-tourism masilahla bathona inzawo yethu ingcolile inzawo yokungenela tandi yini enye lesingayibala ngifuna ukuthola usiyini kunye lesikwendako la ngoba besikhuluma ekhaya yini okunye lesikwendako la mangweni mhlambe lokunga affect i-environment yethu
okay awuthi ngibuye ngala tikwegezi uyabona ngikhulume ngemalahle ukuthi timayini tivaliwe letiningi tangala because of abasafuni ukuthi kusebenziswe kakhulu emalahle like South Africa is trying to transition to renewable energy masikhuluma nge-renewable energy sikhuluma nga the natural energy the natural power like uyabona nyalo sisebenzisa igezi so le gezi yakhiwe ngani i-Eskom isebenzisa emalahle kuyakha so which means ayikho natural le gezi leli esinayo nyalo le so i-renewable energy sikhuluma ngale khathi sitokwakha igezi from natural resources ma natural resources la to producer 0% walama greenhouse gases nabo carbon dioxide nabo methane. Lapho sikhuluma ngemasolar.
I'm lost kancane. Le gezi lesinayo yendiwa ngemalahla ngini.
Yes.
So ayikho natural njani malahle?
Ayikho natural because emalahle angithi before le gezi bayenda bathi ngeSwati bayiphehla before kuphuma igezi so lamalahle they burn them. Khumbula ukuthi ngithe kubhena akavumeleki. Lamalahle before bakhe igezi bayawashisa kuze kuphume igezi. So it's not a natural thing. Ngani masikhuluma nge-renewable energy sikhuluma ngaloku natural loku producer 0% carbon dioxide or methane or whatsoever. Like isolar nyalo uthenga isolar uyayibeka la. Isolar ikhanya njani? Ithatha i-light from the sun angithi so kuyakhanya endlini yakho. Or si converter i-waste siyalapha kaMdodi lapha le dumping site si converter le waste lelapha to renewable energy. Siyemandini siyokwenda le bathi hydro energy. Nasemandini nakhona igezi siyayena. So masikhuluma nge-renewable energy sikhuluma nga something like that. Ukuthi letinto leti masenda legezi akuproduceki any greenhouse gases.
Okay, ungasaphumi lamandi nasibe khona la. Uma ungayadi ungayiphendula. Mina ngikhule ukuthi bathi singalahli emandini because mandi ayangcola, amanda tosigulisa. Nyalo thina manje sesivula vele anemhlabathi mawuvula empompini na kusasike ukuthi bantu bayalahla. So kule situation leyanyalo ukuthi kutholakala mhlambe ukuthi asinamandi iproblem yethu etsine abantu ukuthi asikade phansi kahle kumbe problem ye climate change kumbe kwenzakalani ukuthi kube shortage yemandi.
Lokuthi kube ne shortage yemandi it's part of the climate change because uyathi ukuthi nyalo angithi njengoba imvula betina so there is something lengaphasi bathi i-water table. So lamandi angithi uyabona vele aya infiltrate ahamba yephasi. So le phasi le bathi there is a water table. Ngiwo lamandi lawake la hlala khona la yenda ukuthi kube nabo borehole bagubhele phasi angithi kube ne borehole sengiko ke sekutholakala say supplier iBarberton yonke. So manje if timvula tingasani lamandi lawalale phasi currently ahamba phela ngithi there is why ke so thola sekunabo water shortage. So mandi it's a very important resource that we need to take care. So okay leyo ukuthi ke emandi angcolile nyalo leyo it's service delivery because angithi most of emandi bawathatha maybe kuma dams or emfuleni. So it's part of that department yokuthi bawa clean namandi before atofika kithi before us affect. Se leye ke leyo ukuthi siyalahla emfuleni it's water pollution ngeleyo because nyalo if wena udampa letibi takho la mayina imvula tihamba tiye ngoba tiyawasheka vele tiyakhona le emandini. That is water pollution. Yakhumbula ecaleni sikhulume nge pollution lebangwa kushisa netibi nanani nyalo ke sesikhuluma nge water pollution lekhathi letibi takho la tiwasheka tihambe tiyele emandini. Matifika emandini tidisturb naletilwane futhi letihlala lapha beside nje our health ngoba labanye vele banatha wona emandi emfula ihealth yethu iyalimala khona lapho. Beside lokho tilwane lihlala kuyabona amafishi ticoco ama crocodile kuhlala le tiyafa because of lokho yabo makwasheka amapampers ashona le mapampers awa degrade futhi awaboli. Plastic awasheka yale akuboli ucabanga ukuthi letilwane letiphilako lemandini titokwenda njani.
asikhulume lendaba yetilwane la ngoba kunetinto lekune concern ngayo kakhulu nje tukwetilwane la before so kukhona mhlambe lo ngafuna ku address yes ngiyayazi le tourism ukuthi ngasikhathi letilwane mhlambe lokuthiwa tishontshiwe abantu basuke bafuna kutobona letilwane ngala siya affect mhlambe ni economy but kukhona lokunye lekungafuna squad tukwetilwane ukuthi tibaleke ngani ngize ngikhulume so bantwana bafile kucedza tinzethe vele nje uyabona so angathothi tinzethe ngento engakhona libaleke ngayo netimbuzidwane nasi sifile so angathi ngizathiwa ngisingafuna ukuthi khona yini engafuna sik address ngoba sikhule tinja sihlala nayo mara inja kamakhelwane ingasi affect uyabona it's either ibiya iyone kakho o nale migcomo iyadzilita so angathi kukhona mhlambe nedo ngafuna ukuhighlight ukwetilwane nje ngafuna sikwazi.
But I think every animal ine significance yayo nje. Noma mhlawumbe letinye singeke start ukuthi okay lesi ke silwane sibaleke ngane yabo kufana netihlahla ukuthi nato ungasiboni isihlahla simile sonke isihlahla nesihlahla sine bumcoka baso ngoba uyabona nebantu lama traditional healers anetihlahla tabo ukuthi ngingagubha lesihlahla lesi uma uphethwe ngiloku utophila uyabo netilwane the very same thing ngikubekisele nje simple thing ngenkomo uyabona inkomo ukuthi kuningi kakhulu lokwentiwako mina ngikhule ngathi ukuthi ekhaya makuthiwa kushone babe welikhaya or make welikhaya kufuna kufe inkomo because leyo nto leyo it's part of masiko leyo nto leyo isita ukuthi not ukuthi sita man leyo nto leyo iyakhomba ukuthi lo muntu loshonile umuntu lomkhulu lakhaya so there is why makashonile kufanele kuwe inkomo kudliwe inkomo kungabhizi kuthengwa ama braai pack ngikhule ngathi njalo mina so uyabo konke nesikhumba sayo so some yetilwane ti sebenta kakhulu kuletinto tema culture ngoba ngithi uyabona lama traditional healers mawathi wena maybe unesicwaco whatsoever I don't know about these things mara una whatsoever bakutshele ukuthi kufuna uyogeza ngembudi ingadi yembudi kufuna uthola imbudi lemhlophe kufuna wende inkukhu nani so uyabona ukuthi silwane nesilwane sine msebenzi waso empilweni yebantu nje le sendako noma singeke sisadi ukuthi sisendani lokunye but nje all in all mina ngibuye ngala ka environment ngoba this is part of I culture angithi lengikhuluma ngakonyalo I culture nema heritage lokho lengikhuluma ngakonyalo but nje all in all tilwane it's our nature environment still angithi ti part of the environment so in nature tilwane tidalwe uNkulunkulu so nato we need to take care of them khona stokhona nokukhomba abantu abethu uyabona nje nyalo sesababede bathi natilwane nathi ma camera uma dinosaur sekude ma dinosaurs abantwana ba even nama ngisata ngikaze ngasibona ngemehlo so uyabona ukuthi etihambe tahamba taphela ama species ahamba phela asadati sesifunza ngathi emabhukwini ukuthi bekune ma dinosaur but asadati so netilwane tiyafana ke nayo le environment ekufuna sihlale siyiprotect ngaso zonke isikhathi
no shothi kunzethe net fish dog liwa vela kahle so right ngiyacabanga sesifike tuke favorite part yakho le kuyithanza le ngakakubuti noma khona le mhlambe lo ufuna ukueda lekusele ngoba ngifuna kuba ne load shedding nature I mean ngathi load shedding ku breacher gas ku natural or akukho natural but ungayichazi kushodani
ngicabanga ukuthi kwanamhla sesikhulume sekwanele because angithi besenda iintroduction ngisatobuya kulamanye ama episode ngikhulume specifically ngaleyo topic lesitobe sikhuluma ngayo ukuthi nyalo masikhuluma nge-renewable energy sikhuluma nge-renewable energy kuphela asifaki lokunye masikhuluma nge-waste management sikhuluma ngayo kuphela asilanzi letinye izinto sisatobuya
masikhuluma nge-weather ungayishiyi weather le weather ibalekile
leyo yakho angiyathi lokhuluma
no siyabonga ukuthi uzwakashele la ukuthatha isikhathi sakho siyabonga uyasijoyina la kulomndeni lo usafuna kusirenewa nge-energy so uhlala khona njengoba animbona so ngema-episode ude unekhwaya la eshaya umculo lomnanzi ngahluleka nokuchubeka ikhwaya yakhe. So ndombona ku-social media khona labafuna ukukulandzela bangakulandzela ku
ngikhona ka-Facebook Siphesihle Mzilikazi, yana ku-Instagram ngikhona kanjalo, naku-LinkedIn ke laba bema-companies labafuna i-compliance ngikhona Siphesihle Khumalo khona. Nase-BCR ngiyenda ama-environmental awareness ngema-weekend, ngema-Saturdays, ku-show yaNozipho, nyalo ingena ngo 9 to 12. Yes, ngiba khona kulawo ma-shows lawo, avula nje umsakazo wakho e-BCR FM ongithola khona.
No, siyabonga. Mina lami ngingu-Prince Valley, le Prince Valley Media What's Content. Ungapressa subscribe, upressa like, le notification ufuna uyivule because manye ma-episode etako environment bakhona labanye labatako nemahlelo maningi latako. Mawufuna kwenta i-podcast sineshuthwa amakhamera eBL studio la ngathi babhizi ngethu kwema-podcast. Nalenye sound ibitwa ngokuthi i-Bomb City Sound, nawo batokunceda. Thank you, sir.